Research has shown that electric toothbrushes are an effective way to clean your teeth and prevent against gum disease. But with such a dazzling array of features and prices hurting more than a root canal, it can be hard to know which one's best for you. That's why IndyBest is here to put the smile back on your face with our roundup of the best electric toothbrushes. In this review, we'll be looking at the best electronic toothbrushes in different categories with links to all of them in the description below. And you can read more reviews on the IndyBest section. What makes electric toothbrushes so effective at removing plaque is their rotating brushes and sonic vibrations, but that can also mean they're tough for sensitive teeth. If you have sensitive teeth, Foreo's Issa 3 electric toothbrush is perfect for you and it costs £149. It's very distinct looking from the others. It also feels very different in the hand and mouth because of its silicone bristles, which combine with polymer to target stubborn plaque. The sonic pulse effect comes with 16 speeds, and there's also a built-in timer and the minimalistic handle to make sure you're not over-brushing. We at IndyBest found the head nice and flexible so we didn't miss a sensitivity sensor. The link for the Foreo Issa 3 and all the electric toothbrushes we feature can be found in the description box. If you're looking for the best electronic toothbrush to combat gum disease, then the Waterpik Sonic Fusion Professional is for you, costing around £150. This one lets you combine brushing with flossing at a reasonable price. You get an ergonomic brush with a 2-minute timer and 3 cleaning modes, with the brush and floss mode giving your teeth a robust clean and helping you to stop feeling guilty when your dentist asks you if you've been flossing. For those that like to be at the forefront of oral hygiene technology,
This one from INC, costing £130, is the one to pick.
this brush contains an ultraviolet LED light that reduces the population of plaque-causing bacteria in your mouth. Unfortunately, we didn't test this one for long enough to verify that the LED lights do everything that they claim.
But it does do a good job at deep cleaning and has a long-lasting charge.
You can find the link to the INC in the description box below. If you want to give your teeth the A-lister treatment, then the Oral-B IO Series 9 is the one for you for the Hollywood smile. The Series 9 has a really sleek look and feel to it and is packed full of tech, which is what you'd expect for a £220 electric toothbrush. Whether it's the frictionless magnetic drive or the gentle micro vibrations, this electric toothbrush from Oral-B gave a really effective clean after we'd finished brushing with one of the 7 modes. It also has a pressure sensor, colourful LED graphics to track brushing performance, backed up with an AI-enabled app. That means no tooth is left behind. But if you're looking for something less teeth-grindingly expensive, the best overall electric toothbrush is this Philips Sonicare Protective Clean. We found that this hit the sweet spot between tech and price. It only has 3 brushing modes, but enough to cover any gum and teeth sensitivity. The quad pacer timing system divides your mouth into quarters and buzzes to let you know when to move on. Meanwhile, the pressure sensor ensures you're not damaging that gum line. Philips claims that you'll get 2 weeks of brushing with one charge, but we actually found it was 3, which just typifies why this is a great all-rounder. The Philips Sonicare Protective Clean 5100 costs around £90. You can find the link to the Sonicare toothbrush in the description, and thanks for watching our roundup of the best electronic toothbrushes. Be sure to subscribe to watch all of our other videos and head over to IndyBest to read all the latest reviews. And we hope this roundup puts a smile on your face.